Diablo 3 Reaper of Souls unboxing video. Yeah, there we go. This is the game. This is the box. Here, box, game, game, box. Open this one. Open the fucking. Open the box. Open the box. Open the box. Tool. Open box with tool. This tool. Yeah, this is tool. Use tool. Yeah. Haha. Yeah. Open that shit. Yeah. Opening. Oh! It's like Kinder Egg. Kinder Surprise. There we go. Game. Soundtrack. DVD. Blu-ray thingy. Art book. No, mouse pad. Art book. And some plastic thingy inside. Yeah. So this was unboxing video. Have fun.